Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make spinach, paneer and green peas curry. It's something that I just thought of making it on the fly. So we need a half onion. If it's a big onion, you can have like just a half is good enough. Otherwise you can have one small onion. Don't rush into it. Take your time to chop it, rough chopped. And the other half we are going to save. Then we need a big tomato, roughly chopped again. Is it really interesting to come up with such quick dishes that you have no idea that you're going to be coming up with, and then I'm just trying to record those so we all can, just try and be creative in the kitchen. I don't need like a whole bunch of paneer here, just a few pieces. Now I have everything ready. Here is some spinach, roughly chopped again. There we go. Everything ready. Now onion, tomatoes, paneer and spinach, and I have this misalnacha daba that has everything in it, my basic ingredients, and this green peas. And a bacha kitchen king masala, which I love, my family just enjoys it. So alright, we need a couple of tablespoons of oil. This is all kind of basic. This is jeera, cumin seeds, just a teaspoon, and we're going to add a bit more. To that I'm going to add turmeric, haldi, and then in goes the onion first. Alright, give it a quick stir. And the basic idea is trying to put the tomatoes and the onions together and let them just cook a little. And after that we are going to add spinach. So leave it on the stove top for like maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Then we are going to add salt and a little bit of sugar to taste, just for the measure of these tomatoes and the onions. Give it a quick stir. Sugar adds, I think, to bring out some flavor from the onions and the tomatoes as well. Otherwise it could be a little bit sour. Here we are going to add kitchen king masala, about a teaspoon. And give it a quick stir. Now this we are going to just put the lid on after stirring a bit, and then leave it on for like 3 to 4 minutes. But before that we're going to also add spinach. So spinach will leave some water. That helps the onions and tomatoes to leave some more liquid. Salt and sugar definitely adds to that. Now we will cover this with the lid and leave it on for about 3 to 4 minutes. There we go. So as you can see, this is all kind of coming together. A bit of paneer. To think about it, kids probably won't go just for the tomatoes, onions and spinach gravy vegetable. A little bit of paneer will add a zest. And peas. Give it a stir. Keep stirring for a bit. And then we are going to put the lid back on. Now just let's see. It's coming together again really well. Now we'll add the salt to taste. Remember, you've already added the salt and at the beginning for onions and tomatoes. So you're just going to need a little bit. And this is the secret ingredient that I always prefer to add. Maybe half a cup of milk so that the gravy will come together and will taste amazing. Like a creamy flavor, but not too much of cream. Just a little bit. If you prefer water, you're just welcome to use that. But I prefer this. And then we are again going to cover it with the lid for 3 minutes. And voila, here you go. The recipe is ready. And it really literally takes like 8 to 10 minutes, I would say. Prep time could be a little bit, but really on the fly recipe. Looks great and tastes amazing. Please make it and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching.